We thought the Land Cruiser was gone forever, mainly because Toyota told us so. But surprise! The off-road champ is back, baby! It shares a platform with the recently redesigned Lexus GX and wears a similarly boxy look. But the Cruiser is powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain making 326 horsepower. While the previous generation LC was a full-size SUV, this time around it's been shrunk down to size medium to do battle against other mainstream off-roaders such as the Ford Bronco and the Jeep Wrangler. That strategy also leaves the full-size SUV market open for the Toyota Sequoia. Inside, the Land Cruiser offers seating for 5 across 2 rows and offers the requisite infotainment technology to keep modern buyers happy. Toyota even equips it with advanced driver assistance features since, for most Land Cruiser owners, this truck will serve as both a weekend toy and a weekday commuter. When it's time to hit the trail, the Land Cruiser has the equipment to tackle the rough stuff, including a 4-wheel drive system with low-range gearing and locking differentials. Before moving forward, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Captivating design. The 2024 Land Cruiser's design is a fascinating conversation between heritage and modern capability. It offers a unique choice. Embrace the classic Land Cruiser look with circular headlights, or opt for a sleeker, more contemporary design with sharp LED headlights. Whichever path you choose, the overall silhouette leans into a boxy utilitarian design with wide fenders and broad, square side mirrors that immediately communicate its off-road prowess. This sense of adventure is further emphasized by the return of the Heritage, a bold statement compared to the usual badge, and the standard 3/4 length roof rack, perfect for securing gear for your next expedition. Even the color palette gets in on the act, with available 2-tone options featuring colors like Heritage Blue that directly reference the Land Cruiser's long and storied history. But the 2024 Land Cruiser isn't all about nostalgia. The LED headlights, when chosen, provide a modern touch, and the overall design maintains a clean, sophisticated aesthetic. This SUV is built to conquer any terrain you throw at it, but it won't look out of place cruising down city streets either. It's a thoughtful blend of rugged capability and contemporary style, making a statement that's both timeless and thoroughly modern. What's new for 2024? The boxy new Land Cruiser is back for the 2024 model year, and it rides on an entirely modernized platform. That means hybrid power and a smaller shape, better for challenging off-road rivals from Ford and Jeep. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser starts at $57,400 and goes up to $76,345 depending on the trim and options. The last time a Land Cruiser was on sale in the US market, it started at a steep $87,030. But this time around, Toyota says the Land Cruiser will start at a more attractive starting price of $57,445. That reduced sticker makes sense given the Land Cruiser's smaller frame and 5-seat cabin. Based on the pricing info we have, it seems to us the mid-range Land Cruiser trim will be the best buy as it adds ventilated front seats, a 10-speaker stereo system, a larger 12.3-inch infotainment display, and wider all-terrain tires, among other items. Engine, transmission, and performance. Given that this is an entirely modernized generation of the Land Cruiser, Toyota has elected to install a turbocharged hybrid powertrain in place of a naturally aspirated V8 engine. A turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder is assisted by 2 electric motors to make 326 horsepower. If this setup sounds familiar, that's because it's similar to the powertrain offered in the Toyota Tacoma. All Land Cruisers come with an 8-speed automatic transmission and a 4-wheel drive system that features a locking center differential, low-range gearing, a crawl control system, and hill descent control. In our test drive, we found that the hybrid powertrain provides good torque, but noticed that the boost of the electric motors is inconsistent due to the small battery pack. The Land Cruiser provides a smooth ride on the road and is significantly quieter than vehicles like the Ford Bronco and Jeep Wrangler. 0 to 60 mph times. In our testing, the Land Cruiser First Edition got to 60 miles per hour in 7.7 seconds. That's significantly slower than the V6-powered Lexus GX 550, which achieved a 6.3 second time. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The Land Cruiser's EPA ratings sit at 23 mpg combined, 22 mpg city, and 25 mpg highway. Those are far better numbers than what the previous generation V8 model offered. In our real-world 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test, the Land Cruiser First Edition underperformed, achieving 21 mpg. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Unlike the previous generation Land Cruiser, the new one is strictly a two-row, five-seat SUV. Toyota has downsized the Cruiser's body this time around, putting it into contention with mid-size rivals such as the Ford Bronco and the Jeep Wrangler, rather than full-size SUVs such as the Chevrolet Tahoe and the Ford Expedition. While the base 1958 trim does without many of the other trim's luxuries, it still offers niceties such as heated seats, a heated steering wheel, and a 6-speaker stereo. The mid-range trim and the limited production First Edition have more deluxe cabins that include ventilated seats, 10-speaker stereos, and available leather upholstery. In our testing, the Land Cruiser held 17 carry-in suitcases behind the rear seats and 31 cases with the rear seats folded. Infotainment and connectivity. All Land Cruisers come with Toyota's excellent infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but the base 1958 trim comes with a rather dinky 8.0-inch display. All other trims get a much larger 12.3-inch touchscreen. USB-C charging ports and a wireless smartphone charging pad are standard fare, but you'll have to pay extra for onboard Wi-Fi or the available 14-speaker JBL stereo system. Safety and driver assistance features. Like most of Toyota's new models, the Land Cruiser is equipped with a generous list of standard driver assistance features. Bundled together in a suite called Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, you'll find lane departure warning, automatic high-beam headlamps, and adaptive cruise control alongside expected systems such as automated emergency braking. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control with a lane centering feature, warranty and maintenance coverage. Toyota provides 2 years of complimentary scheduled maintenance, a rarity in this class. The coverage in other categories is less impressive but matches industry norms. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 2 years or 25,000 miles. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.